Florida Atlantic University is leading the charge in creating a highly skilled workforce for the tech industry through its AccessTECH project. This project empowers individuals with disabilities through state-of-the-art certifications, tailored training, and hands-on experiences. Through AccessTECH, we are developing competent, certified, and productive professionals.
My colleagues and I from the University of Wisconsin-Madison are excited about working in partnership on the Access Technology project awarded to Florida Atlantic University.
At Florida Atlantic, we're using the latest technology for workforce development by creating accessible online training supplemented by realistic gaming simulations and industry experience. Our training focus will be around sectors that are important to the state and the nation, such as cybersecurity, cloud services, and computer-aided design and 3D printing. These programs aren't just innovative, they are the future of workforce readiness, bridging critical skill gaps in the tech industry.
Collaboration is really key in the development of research and practice. At the Innovative Partnership for Rehabilitation and Research at UW Madison, we are really thrilled to be working with Florida Atlantic University on this project.
This visionary partnership between Florida Atlantic Colleges of Engineering and Education sets the standard for innovation in vocational rehabilitation and addresses the workforce needs of businesses in a 21st century technology-driven economy.
At IPART, we truly believe that working together on shared goals, we can support individuals with disabilities and technology careers.
Collaboration with industry leaders is essential for effective technical training. That's why the Florida Atlantic AccessTECH program includes paid internships, ensuring that our students gain hands-on experience while preparing for careers in high-demand fields. AccessTECH will set new standards in shaping the workforce and offer businesses fully trained individuals to address their specific needs in key sectors.
Your future in technology starts here at FAU.
Take the next step towards that future with us at Access Technology.
Together, we will create the workforce of the future and keep our nation competitive.